Welcome to the DRM-X 5.0 Digital Rights Management Platform. This video will demonstrate how to encrypt files using the ZJGet Browser on Windows systems. Before proceeding with encryption, you must first configure the corresponding licensing system in the backend. Ensure ZJGet Browser is installed on your computer and use ZJGet to log into the backend for file encryption. DRM-X 5.0 employs advanced local encryption technology. All encryption processes run securely within the ZJGet browser locally. During encryption, your original files are never uploaded to servers. Data remains entirely on your local device, ensuring your business privacy is absolutely secure. Once ready, we proceed with the formal operation. First, log into the backend and click Protect Files in the left-hand menu bar. Step 1. Create a license profiles. Before encrypting files, we need a license profiles to hold the rules. If you already have a license profiles, you can select it directly. If not, click New Profiles. Here, we create a new license profiles. First, enter your course or product name in the license profiles name field. Next, select rights. You can directly check existing permission schemes. If current rights don't meet your needs, we can add or modify them at any time in later steps. For now, we'll select the default settings. In the User Groups section, check the user groups allowed to access this license profiles. Similarly, you can use the default groups initially and make flexible adjustments later as your business expands. Regarding the product ID, this field primarily links to courses or products within your own website system. If you currently have no custom development integrations, you can leave this blank for now. You may enable Force Internet or revoke license based on your security policy. In this demo, we'll only enable license is revocable to manually reclaim user viewing rights when necessary. Finally, click OK to save. Your license profiles is now created. Step 2. Refine security rights. Next, we move to the core rights settings. Click New Rights. Here, you can precisely define user viewing rights, including setting rights price, open count of times it can be opened, and specifying detailed validity periods. To build a higher level of security, we recommend checking Disable Virtual Machines to prevent content from running in unsafe virtual environments. Pay close attention to the ZJGet Requires Administrator Privileges option. When enabled, the system will require users to launch the browser with Windows Administrator Privileges. This grants ZJGet system-level privileges, enabling deeper detection and interception of covert advanced screen recording software to deliver industry-leading anti-recording security. Additionally, Enable License binds to the first display. Once activated, ZJGet will automatically detect and block any extended screens or projection outputs, completely eliminating the possibility of unauthorized recording via external devices. Beyond conventional list filtering, the core protection stems from Haihaisoft Smart Prevent Screen Recording. Unlike traditional static blacklists, this technology intelligently identifies the underlying behavioral logic of screen recording software. Combined with Haihaisoft continuously updated defense library, it effectively blocks over 99% of existing and future screen recording tools on the market. Even for new screen recording tools attempting to evade detection by altering file names or those not yet listed, the Smart Prevent Screen Recording responds through multidimensional real-time monitoring. It provides deep long-term security for your core digital assets, ensuring more stable and worry-free content distribution. If you are protecting documents or web pages, configure granular policies such as print prevention or clipboard blocking in the Protect PDF and web page settings below based on your specific business needs. DRM-X 5.0 delivers a three-dimensional dynamic watermark protection system. Each watermark type can be enabled independently and supports fine-grained customization of content, font size, color, and transparency. First is the first watermark settings. When enabled, the watermark will be locked to your specified position on the screen. To increase the difficulty of circumvention, you can also activate the Random Change First Watermark Area feature, causing the watermark to periodically jump around the screen. Next is the second watermark settings. This layer delivers an exceptionally strong visual presence. When enabled, the watermark simulates a scrolling effect, moving at a constant speed from the top left corner to the bottom right corner of the screen. This continuous dynamic overlay effectively disrupts the integrity of pirated screen recordings. Finally, the most powerful third watermark settings. This layer offers exceptional flexibility. Not only does it support random watermark rotation angles and high-frequency transformations, but more crucially, you can independently set the number of rows and columns displayed based on the video resolution. Through this matrix arrangement, the watermark completely covers the entire playback screen, ensuring no angle of covert filming or screen recording can escape detection. Next, we move to the Blacklist program configuration. DRM-X 5.0 comes preloaded with a list covering the vast majority of known screen recording, screen capture, and illegal tools on the market. Simply check the boxes, and the system automatically builds a firewall. When users attempt to open protected files while running these programs, the ZJGet Browser immediately takes intercept measures, blocking content playback to effectively prevent illegal capture. Finally, click OK to save the newly added rights. Step 3. Specify authorized user groups. After configuring rights, we need to determine who has viewing rights. On the Protect Files page's Step 3, select the user groups allowed to access this license profiles. For example, choose Basic Group. Only users belonging to this group can successfully obtain the license and open encrypted files after logging in. After selecting user groups, click the Apply button to save settings. Step 4. Perform local file encryption. With everything prepared, we now proceed to the final file encryption stage. In Step 4, first select the encryption type, such as audio and video files. Set the output path for the encrypted files. Here, we recommend selecting Add P identifier to encrypted file names. Click the Select Files button to add your local source files to the list. Finally, click the Start Encrypting Audio-Video button. The encryption process is performed locally on your computer via the ZJGet Browser. Original files are never uploaded to the cloud, ensuring maximum data security. Upon completion, you will receive protected new files. Users simply download and open the encrypted files using the ZJGet Browser. Enter your account credentials on the license acquisition login page that appears. After obtaining the license, protected content can be viewed seamlessly. From encryption to distribution, DRM-X 5.0 builds a robust shield for your digital assets, making your knowledge wealth safer and more valuable. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our technical support team.